Hello everyone, it's Julia here from Inflorescence Designs. For today's tutorial, we are making decorative water bottle covers. I am using a 30-ounce Stanley cup, but you can easily modify this to fit your needs. You can find all materials over on ThermoWeb's blog. See the link in the description below. So let's begin. Start by layering your two front fabrics, both right sides up. You will then need to cut alternating angles 6 times. Next, separate your fabrics into 2 rows, each with 1 piece of fabric. You will notice that since we cut them together, they line up perfectly. Using a 1/4-inch seam, sew together the top and bottom rows, creating 2 pieces. Once sewn, you will need to press your seams. I like to press mine all to one side. Once pressed, you will then need to sew your top and bottom pieces together, forming one long piece. Next, you will need to trim your piece to 14 inches long. Once trimmed, you will need to add the Heat and Bond soft woven fusible to the wrong side of your rectangle. Once the soft woven fusible is adhered, you have the option of adding some stitching lines. The stitching lines give it the quilted look. Next, take your backing fabric and place it right sides together with the front. Pin to hold in place. You will then stitch around 3 sides, the 2 long and 1 short end, leaving one of the short ends open for turning. Once sewn, you will need to clip the corners, and then turn your piece right side out and press. We are going to prepare the elastics next. Turn in the open edge about 1 inch and press. You will then fold over the elastics and pin them near the top and bottom of the opening. Next, top stitch around your piece, making sure to secure the elastics with a back stitch. It's time to add the buttons. Wrap your water bottle with the cover to see where you need to sew the buttons. I put the buttons on and made a little mark so it would be easier to remember where to sew them. Next, hand stitch each button on. Make sure to secure each button well, as the elastic puts a lot of stress in that area. Once the buttons are sewn on, your water bottle sleeve is essentially finished. I like to add some embellishments though, so I am using Heat and Bond Fabric Fuse liquid adhesive to adhere a strawberry charm to my water bottle cover.